And we are back. That's what I said. Yeah, with some completely random chicken-approved questions. Okay, let's talk music. Can you? Let's see. This is a band. First question. AC/DC album. Okay. Rock and roll song. Album is the same name as the song. Do you know it? Bop. That's right. Back in Black. Okay, and now there's a love song from the 70s here. Baby Come. That's right, Baby Come Back. And also Baby Got Back. But, all right, that's right. Okay, chicken. Now let's see. You like candy, don't you? Yeah. Let's see here. Remember those chocolates that I got you? They weren't Hershey's. They're not C's. What kind? Oh, there's something different there. Wait a second here. I got a hat. What is going on here? Somebody did the old switcheroo. You look different here. What is happening with you? Oh, you got glasses on. That's all right. Something funny is going on here. All right. Anyway, you like candy? So it wasn't the Hershey's. It wasn't C's. What kind was it? Candy was that? That's right. It was Brock's. That's correct. I got those for you, and then a heart shaped box. That's right. Okay, very nice. All right, on to the music. You're going to play a song about a bird. What kind of bird? Okay, here's a chicken with a Bach bird. All right. Okie dokie. No, that's it. That's all I'm doing.
You were supposed